No, stop, what are you doing?
Why you should never put potatoes in the fridge. I'm Dr. Tanya Elliott, board certified internal medicine specialist and allergist. Why? Acrylamide is a chemical that forms in certain foods after high temperature cooking. What does this have to do about how you store your potatoes? Acrylamide production is increased when your potatoes are refrigerated. It causes cancer in animals and is currently under investigation by the FDA for its impact on human health. Best place to store potatoes? A cool, dark, and dry place like your pantry.